welcome to Tranjore. Today I would like to introduce with you automatic press and revert assemble machine. This machine exported to the Israel with injection molding machine with armament operation, automatic revert and pressing. This is the product before inverting and press, and this is the product after inverting and press. This machine is suitable for new energy, automatic electronics production and manufacturing, and the plastic hardware and the revert assembly. If you want to know more about us, welcome to pay attention, and next will be being more wonderful.